GBPUSD that's a terrible candle, I'm not gonna lie. I would have liked us to see some buying pressure off of this bullish engulfing, but alright, so we get a nice little push, y'all. You feel me? We up about $95 right now. But for right now, we grinding. We just gotta keep our faith in God, keep putting in this work, and never stop believing that it's gonna happen. As long as we believe, it's gonna eventually happen, gang. And this the type of shit I really like to do, is just catch a little peace of mind, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, you know what? I'm about to thug it. My bro pulled up. I really don't be caring, y'all. When I get dressed, I get dressed. But when I'm in grind mode, work mode, I wear the same shit 3-4 days if I got to.
Nigga, I'm dealing with problems, I gotta get through it. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I've been going through pain. I cannot believe all of this shit that you said. I make them sick from the way that I run up the money. They wish they could cut off my legs. All of my real niggas in the streets was starving. Gotta make sure that they fed. Remember days I was trapping apartments. Yeah, nigga gon' get it regardless. Mama, look at what your baby done started. Gotta get it, I'm going my hardest. When I pop in my shit and I ice hard.
YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? I am back with another video. Right now it is Monday the 21st. I'm about to hit these charts again, you know what I'm saying? A couple things happened with the account since our last video. I'm gonna update y'all in a little bit. But yeah, we about to just get on these charts, see what we can find. You know what I'm saying? It's either gonna be a win or loss or a no trade day. Either way, I'm only taking one trade, sticking to the plan. You know what I'm saying? Same shit y'all been seeing every video. Slightly different, I wouldn't say changes, but I'm just a little bit more conservative, I'd say. But like I said, we'll get into all of that later. Let's go hit these charts, man. So I'm in this trade right now, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm on GBPUSD, which is 6B on futures, you feel me? Over here, this is the GBPUSD chart, this is the futures chart, which I took the trade on. As y'all can see, we was in a little bit of drawdown. Now we getting a decent push up, you feel me? And I don't normally trade GBPUSD, but I have been looking at it lately. Just because I feel like it could be a good pair I could potentially add to my watch list. So just trying to see how this trade play out, you know what I'm saying? And I seen this trade as soon as I got on, I didn't really see nothing. Like, let me show y'all, I didn't really see nothing on gold. Like, gold just highs, like all-time highs, you feel me, still going up. We ain't grabbed no liquidity on gold. And then as far as the NASDAQ, it's just pretty much playing around, going sideways in this zone, like terrible price action, you feel me? So we ain't really have shit going on the charts I normally look at, so sometimes you gotta make adjustments, you feel me? You gotta back different shit out your bag. You gotta have a bag with this shit, gang. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is, so. Yeah, GBPUSD that's a terrible candle, I'm not gonna lie. I would've liked us to see some buying pressure off of this bullish engulfing, but we about to see what we could get though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know these Forex charts be a little slow, so it's either gonna be a winner or a loss. Alright, so we get a nice little push, y'all. You feel me? We up about $95 right now, you know what I'm saying? I think this trade is to win like 320 or some shit like that, so we still got a little whiles to go, but as of right now, shit looking pretty good. And it's like as soon as I said something, it started rejecting, but I'm liking these bullish candles though, you know what I'm saying? As long as we can keep up this momentum, we should take profit. And yeah, I'm liking how GBPUSD moving so far. This might be that one, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see. We looking real fucking good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This shit should be about to hit take profit any minute. Your boy up about 260 right now, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's pretty much TP hit on their ass. Take profit hit, y'all, you know what I'm saying? I just seen this shit 4K in y'all face. Let me delete all these limits. Yeah, that was it. I ain't gonna front. We had a little bit more to go on our Forex chart, but I ain't tripping off of that, bro. That's like little to nothing. You feel me? But take profit is hit though, y'all. Y'all just seen what's going on. We was on a different chart today. You know what I'm saying? We was on GBPUSD, and I have been back testing this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't just impulsively just go away from my plan. I have been back testing. Setups have been a little slow lately with my 4 main pairs. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, you know what? Let's look at a different pair today, and shit played off. We had us a nice move, a little bit of drawdown, but once it came out of drawdown, we pretty much went straight to take profit in 1 or 2 candles. So, you know what I'm saying? And it's a Monday, we love to see that. Yeah, I'm just, you know what I'm saying? That's just what we do. All right, excuse the camera angle, y'all. I lost my tripod again, so I gotta go grab another one. You feel me? So I'm recording this with no tripod on my phone, and the angle just a little weird, you know what I'm saying? But With all that being said though, you know what I'm saying, y'all seen what happened. I really just want to let y'all know what's going on with the account, you feel me? So basically the last video y'all seen, I was up $700. After that I had I think I had lost a trade, and I had won like another trade, and I ended up getting up to like $950, you feel me? So I had needed probably like $500, $600 to get a payout, because on Apex you gotta grow the account to $1,500, and then you can request the payout, you feel me? So I was probably like $600 away from the payout, and which is only like 2 trades. Really, if I had like 1 trade and it was a banger, like my runner hit crazy or some shit, I really could have got it in 1 trade, but at most 2 trades, you feel me, I needed to get a payout. And I got the bright idea of trying to test out a new strategy once I got up 950. You feel me? Dumbest shit I could have did, obviously, you know what I'm saying? Because even if I did want to try out a new strategy, I could have tried it out on a demo account, on the evaluation account, you feel me? I choose to try out a new strategy on my live account. So, just dumb shit, just back testing, getting overconfident, thinking I got the holy grail strategy, just dumb shit, you know what I'm saying? When really I should have just kept doing what I was doing that put me up the band, and I just kept going up from there, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, ended up going like a 3 trade losing streak, back to break even. It might have even been like a 4 trade losing streak, honestly. So either 3 or 4 trade losing streak, went all the way back down and break even on the account, and you know what I'm saying? So I told myself I'm done with that dumb shit. I'm about to stick to my strategy, because I know my strategy worked. Like, I could know some shit work, and I could still be trying to adjust shit, you know what I'm saying? Just because I feel like shit could be making me more money, when it's like, as long as niggas making money, that's really all that matters. You know what I'm saying? So I just, you know what I'm saying, had a little delusional moment, tried out a new strategy. So we went back to break even on the account, and then today I just won my trade for about $300. So now we back up like $300 in the account, you know what I'm saying? So 2 more trades, we should be right back to that 900 mark. It ain't really nothing to trip about. It's just like, damn, I could have been up. I could have probably had my payout right now, you feel me, if I would have just stuck to the plan of what I was doing. So, yeah, just a little dumb shit, you know what I'm saying, that I got to just tighten up on. I got to just stick to my plan. And, you know what I'm saying, just I can't go away from it. If I do want to test out some shit, I need to be on a demo account. And I suggest y'all to do the same. Don't test no strategy on no live account. That was just, like, I know that. Like, that was just me being dumb and just being, you know what I'm saying, just thinking I'm just being overconfident, you feel me? But as y'all seen today, we had a nice win on GU. I'm probably going to add GU to my watch list, and maybe silver, just so I can get some more setups. But realistically, I only need like 2 setups. As long as I can win one of the other 2 setups, that's at least 1% week. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I look at it. So I don't need much setups, but I don't be trying to come on here 5 days in a row just to only get 2 setups a week. If I do only get 2 setups a week, I'm not tripping, as long as I'm winning them bitches consistently. You know what I'm saying? And that's just that, y'all. So I just wanted to update y'all real quick, and that's what it is. And this is just me showing y'all we up about 300, 280 to be exact, you know what I'm saying? They bailed us out on like $30. We won 308 today. It's supposed to be like 330, but this shit had a crazy spread on it, you know what I'm saying? So we up about $300, y'all. I'm about to just grow this account back up, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to just stick to what I know best, and that's a strategy I've been working on for years. So I'm done trying to find new shit to make it better. Like, that shit pointless. We about to just run this shit up, y'all. Alright, y'all, so it's actually the next day right now. Yesterday, I literally did nothing. I just played the crib, you know what I'm saying? There wasn't really nothing to record after the trading session. I was planning on going out, but I'm like, you know what? I'm about to just, you know what I'm saying, stay in the crib, chill, because I've been working a lot lately. But yeah, though, I think it's the 22nd. It's Tuesday. Yesterday, we had the win, and now we just looking to continue pretty much. So yeah, y'all about to see basically 2 trading sessions and 1 video. So let's just say that's double the value, and we about to just get straight to it. I'm about to hop on these charts, mark them up, and the same shit, y'all. So let's see what we can find. Okay, my chart is marked up. I'm saying right here, first, y'all know we got gold. This zone right here should be red, so you're not confused. So this is basically our sell zone, this is our buy zone. I don't even think I told y'all the couple, like the light changes I made. Like, it's still the same strategy, still the same everything, you feel me? I'm kind of shying away from counter trend trades. So like, I only want to trade in confluence with this 200 EMA, you know what I'm saying? So in this case, I will stay away from this buy, because right now we getting a nice buy setup. You know what I'm saying? We grab liquidity, we broke structure, and that's the next point I want to make too. I'm not I'm still doing a break of the 61, but if price do break structure before we break the 61, I will still take it because the break of structure is still a good confluence, if not better than the break of the 61. As I've been back testing and practicing lately, that break of structure might even be a better confluence than the break of the 61. Like sometimes the break of the 61 is still lose, but when we add the break of structure in there, that should be, you know what I'm saying? That shit got a high win rate, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, we staying away from counter trend trades unless it's like obvious, like it gotta be a lot of confluences, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's like a good counter trend trade, but like just your average counter trend trade, I'm staying away from it. I'm gonna just wait for it to come to, you know what I'm saying, the area where my EMA is at, my 200 EMA, and then I'll take the sell back down instead of taking the counter trend buy, you know what I'm saying? And then also, like y'all see right here, when price made this high and it made this low and then we broke above it, that's a break of structure, you know what I'm saying? So we could get, that could happen down here as long as it's outside our green box or outside of our red box. Any break of structure is valid. So I'm not necessarily waiting on the 61 no more, y'all. And that's just a little update of what's going on. Everything's still the same. I still trade the exact same. It's just, if anything, I'm a little more conservative with my setups, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little more picky. I'm a little more patient with my setups, you know what I'm saying? Just to try to get that win rate a little higher. But gold do like it's setting up. I'm gonna wait for a liquidity grab in this red zone. And I'm talking way too much, so let's get to this next chart. Where you got NASDAQ, we got our sell zone here, buy zone here. Pretty small window, you know what I'm saying? So 9:30 is in about 20 minutes. I'm just trying to wait to see what it's trying to do. If we trying to break up here maybe, or maybe break lower, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to wait. NASDAQ kind of like in the middle of its setup. It ain't quite set up yet. And then SPX pretty much the same as NASDAQ, except it's like NASDAQ a little more ahead on some shit, but it's still the same, you know what I'm saying? And then as far as US30 is kind of like the same shit, but just, you know what I'm saying, we a little bit more bullish on US30. And then last but not least, we added GBPUSD. This is what I want. This is what I won my trade on yesterday. And we just grabbed liquidity, you know what I'm saying? So now I could see if we could get a break of the 61 maybe. The break of structure would be all the way down here, so the break of structure probably quiet for this trade. But if we get a break of 61 here, I might could take like some light shit. I don't know though, because this zone is small, but we'll see though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's what everything looking like though. Today looking like a potential good day. You know what I'm saying? I feel like we could get some setups, but we just gotta wait and see what happens. All right, y'all, this what just happened on GU. So GU, as y'all seen, we had a setup. We ended up breaking the 61%, and then we had came up and it tapped us into our entry. And if you go into the 5 minute, if you look on the 5 minutes, we also broke structure right here. We broke structure right here and came up, tapped us in, you feel me? And then we dropped. The only reason I did not take this trade is because if you look, my stop loss is only 3 pips. You know what I'm saying? So my max contracts I can use on my Apex account is 4, since I only have a 25K account, you know what I'm saying? And with me risking 4 contracts, it was only like $70 to win like 140 or some shit, you feel me? And that just wasn't worth it to me. I kind of wish I did take it, because at the end of the day, it's still money, you know what I'm saying? Money is money, but I just didn't want to risk losing money on a setup where that's barely gonna pay me, like, you feel me? Like, that's just how I was looking at it. But this was a decent setup. My runner would have probably hit for something crazy too. So a little upset I didn't take it, but it is what it is, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It happens. So today is a no trade day, y'all. If you look at the account summary, $0 for today. The account balance is at the same thing, you feel me? We did miss that one setup on GU that I wish I would have took, but it is what it is though. Other than that, we really ain't get much, you know what I'm saying? Today was kind of slow. And like I told y'all, the setup, it's not like the smart strategy, you're not gonna see it often. Like, it's not one of them strategies you're gonna see it 10 times a day. You probably only see it like once or twice a day, and you probably don't even see it every day, probably 2-3 times out the week. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's important to just stay disciplined and just stay patient, you feel me? Because with trading, less is more. I feel like people think that you gotta take a trade every day, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, less is more. I've been there, I've done that. That shit only hurts you more in the end, but I'm about to get ready to start my day though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. So as y'all seen, today was a pretty slow day. We ain't getting no setups. But at the end of the day, we still up for the week. We ain't lose no money, so that's still W's in my book. You feel me? But as of right now, we is about to DoorDash, you know, the usual. I wish I had more to do for y'all, but we still grinding right now, trying to make this shit happen. I promise y'all though, man, this shit gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? When I go up, y'all gonna go up. It's a lot more to come, man. This shit about to get overly lit. You know what I'm saying? Just keep hanging in there, keep bearing with me. I'm gonna keep giving y'all the value, keep trying to do my part, and everything's gonna come together, y'all. But for right now, we grinding. We just gotta keep our faith in God, keep putting in this work, and never stop believing that it's gonna happen. As long as we believe, it's gonna eventually happen, gang, and that's just what it is. But right now, though, I'm about to go DoorDash, man. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Right now, I'm at the park, y'all. I had stopped here for a little minute. Told myself I'm about to roll up a little blunt, walk this trail. It's crazy because I pass by this shit every day. And it's the type of shit I really like to do is just catch a little peace of mind, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, you know what? I'm about to thug it. My bro pulled up. You know what I'm saying? We just chopping it up, y'all. Talking about how we about to get this bag, get these millions. Y'all know this shit don't stop. But yeah, I'm just at this little park, y'all, walking this trail. Not too much. Saying. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, let y'all know what's going on. I'm about to finish talking to bro, and then I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I'm at Target real quick. As you can see, I'm at Target. I just gotta run in here and grab a fan real quick, you know what I'm saying? Because it's starting to get hot as hell at night. And I just noticed that I wore the same hoodie yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all thinking the nigga dirty or nothing. This is just my little, I call it my trap hoodie, you know what I'm saying? My little work hoodie. This is my like main throw-on hoodie that I go to, you know what I'm saying? So I try not to wear the same shit every video because I know how that shit could look, but a nigga, you know what I'm saying, I just be out here. I really don't be caring, y'all. When I get dressed, I get dressed. But when I'm in grind mode, work mode, I wear the same shit 3-4 days if I got to, you know what I'm saying? So this ain't that. But yeah, I'm about to just run in here though, y'all, and grab this fan. Alright, that's the end of the vlog, y'all. I know I keep saying it, but I'm dead ass back on my consistent shit. When I first started this channel, I was uploading video after video after video, and I'm back on that same timing, you know what I'm saying? I'm not playing with this shit no more. As far as the trading week though, Monday, we won our trade, as y'all seen, and then today was a no trade day. And then tomorrow is Wednesday, we're gonna be right back at it with another video for y'all. Wednesdays be a little tricky, but all I could do is just show up, take my setup, and stick to the plan, you know what I'm saying? And then this week should be a good week. We started off good, so I ain't really complaining. But yeah, though, without all the yapping, man, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all next video.